This is cytoplasmic streaming within the cell of a paramecium. Cytoplasmic streaming moves key nutrients, proteins, and organelles throughout the cell. Cytoplasm is a viscous gel-like substance that is contained within the cell membrane of a cell. Organelles and all the functional units of the cell are suspended within the cytoplasm. In this paramecium, you can see cytoplasmic granules and symbiotic algae, those little green particles, flowing in a rotational pattern. Cytoplasmic microtubules play an important role in the cytoplasmic streaming process. The major macromolecules contained in the cytoplasm are water molecules, making up about 80 to 85%, proteins, making up 10 to 15%, lipids, 2 to 4%, polysaccharides, 1%, and nucleic acids, also 1%. Suspension of important machinery inside a liquid chamber is a common theme in living organisms. The brain, the spinal cord, and the lungs are also encompassed within their own fluids and held in place by connective tissues. When an object or force moves through another substance, such as air or water, it encounters a resistance in movement called friction. An amoeba's cytoplasm can be divided into two parts: the outer ectoplasm and the inner endoplasm. Ectoplasm is a thick, non-granular, and contractile layer of the cytoplasm that maintains the shape of the amoeba. It also helps form the pseudopodia. Endoplasm is the granular and less viscous part of the cytoplasm. While this layer also helps the production of pseudopodia, it mainly contains the organelles of the cell and performs physiological functions. As you can see here, the cell wall of the ciliate has been breached, and the cytoplasm is slowly leaking out, as well as the contents of the cell. Cells do not maintain the same volume throughout their life. The volume can change as a product of both environmental conditions and time. Generally, the cytoplasm can constitute about 60 to 70% of the cell's volume. However, when a cell divides, the cytoplasm rapidly replicates to about twice its size. In contrast, when the cells are placed in a concentrated solution, the osmotic pressure causes them to shrink rapidly in size. If you like this video, tap the like button, and if you need more information on cytoplasm, go ahead and check out the article on microscopeclarity.com.